Summers in Los Angeles are warm and beautiful, but they also bring with them high energy bills. These high energy bills are usually caused by the low efficiency regular roofing that haven't been properly insulated. Landmark Construction Crew is a BPI certified cool roofing contractor in Los Angeles that have been installing residential cool roofing and commercial cool roofing for over 10 years. Our cool roofing installation services use cool roofings that are designed to reflect more sunlight and also absorb less heat than a regular roof, hence lowering energy bills from the reduced usage of AC and other cooling appliances. We offer a variety of cool roofing options, such as coated roofs, foam roofs, built-up roofing systems, modified bitumen, single-ply membranes, and asphalt shingles for residential buildings and commercial buildings, such as offices, apartment complexes, industrial buildings, retail outlets, schools, and health institutions. We offer affordable cool roofing installation services in Los Angeles, San Fernando Valley, and Orange County. Call for a free on-site consultation and estimate today, or visit us on the web for more information. Landmark Construction Crew, your contractor for life.